Hey, it's Tom from Farland Classic Restoration having a look at this 1970 Mercedes-Benz 280 SL, dark olive green over parchment interior. Really, really nice restoration a few years back. Give you a quick shot of the engine and then we'll close it up. Really nice work in there. Squeaky shoes, huh? Does have a factory hardtop in green. The convertible top, if you look at the photos on the listing, is dark green cloth. Very nice, very new, or new. We'll jump in and have a look, give it a quick start. Starts right up. Becker Radio. That's it. Thanks for watching.